Okay, so today we're going to be looking at how to use the paper cutter. It's pretty simple. I have two. I have a smaller one and a bigger one. Both do the same thing. They are able to cut maybe like 2 to 3 pages at a time. I wouldn't go more than that. It will dull the blade. The only difference between the two paper cutters that I have is one's that's larger, accommodates bigger paper, and the other one's smaller. Now, I'm going to move this to the side. The actual parts of the paper cutter, okay? Both of them have, and so I'm just going to talk about one, they both have them, is up at the top they have a number line. This number line right here helps us gauge how big a paper is. If I need to say, okay, well this paper needs to be 13 inches, up top I'd take the edge and I'd line up to 13 inches and I'd swing it over, okay? Or if you were on the bottom, you want to line up the bottom, that's fine. You might have a little bit off, but moving paper all the way up to the edge helps because it will keep a nice straight edge. Now, so we have the number line up top and through the middle. Also, these grid lines help us line things up. So if, let's say, for example, you have something that is not squared off and you just want to line it up to the edge of the paper, to the line, you can do that, okay? Now, another thing they both have swinging arms, okay, because it swings up and down. Now, one thing about paper cutters, people say they're dangerous. Yes, they are. They can cut your paper, they can hurt you, okay? Now, the way that the paper cutter is built, okay, it's not like a knife where it has like a point. It is flat like an actual ice skate, okay, so it's flat. Now, I can do this because I know I'm not going to hurt myself, but just like a car door, car doors don't sound scary until you slam your finger in it, okay? Yes, if you push pressure on it, you will hurt yourself, okay? To help prevent you getting hurt is this safety bar right here, okay? Because so when you're moving the paper over, you can't go, any closer to where that is. Also, there's a locking mechanism at the back that helps click it down each time you use it, okay? Now, a couple of other little things. Do not play with this or you will never get to play with it again. Play with it, let's say use it. Also, longer side, longer number. Okay, so if I say that something needs to be 10 by 8, you use the longer side on the longer side and the shorter number for the shorter side. Okay, and please keep this clean. All the stuff that falls here, just put it into the trash, which is right over the edge. Okay, now how to use it. First of all, do not have your artwork anywhere near here, okay? Unless you're trimming your artwork, all right? Keep it away so you do not accidentally, have it under and you cut right through your artwork, all right? All right, so here we go. We're gonna actually put this, cut this down to 12 by, let's say 7. So I'm gonna take my paper, I'm gonna move it over to the 12, okay? Line it up, hand on the left side, bring it down, slice it. Extra goes in the recycling. Turn around, all the way up, scooch it over to 7, and slice down. Now we have our perfect paper, okay? Now, please remember if you somehow forget how to use the paper cutter, up at the top there are simple instructions, okay? Other than that, just, take it slow. Please do not let anyone on top of you. You need your own personal space. Watch out, if you're working here and other people has like papers all over, clear the space, okay? All right, and that's how you use the paper cutter. Just make sure it's always locked. Thank you.